Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save project on ClipChamp. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open ClipChamp on your browser, and after that I'm going to first of all create a new video. I will click on this button, create a new video. After that, you need to add some video files. You need to click on the import media at the top left corner and then choose one or more video files. After that, you need to click and hold on this video and then drag it into this timeline. After that, you can edit this video, you can add more video or photos. And after that, if you want to save this project, the first way how you can do this is to click on this 3 lines button at the top left corner and then click on the first option, back to home. After that, your project will be automatically saved right up here under your videos heading. You can click on that project and then continue editing this video. So another way how you can save this project is to click on the export button at the top right corner, then choose quality, for example this one, and then your project will be saved. You can see it's right up here. You can click on this show in folder button and then move it to necessary one folder or on a desktop. So, and that's all. That's how to save a project on ClipChamp. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.